What is going on, guys? Jeff Wybo here, and I'm in my car right now, but I'm going to be going into my 17 units. This is 11plex right here, and there's also a 6plex nearby. I've covered it a little bit on the channel before, but I've never really gone into it in the channel too much for you guys, so we're going to go check that out right now. The corporation, Foundation Capital, my corp, has 281 units, so this is 17 of them here, and they're going to be cool to go look at. We were doing Airbnb on some of them before, but now it's time to renovate them to the rental standard and get them rented, because it's time to refinance these properties. That's the name of the game. Buy, renovate, rent, refinance, repeat. And that's pretty much what we've been doing in Foundation Capital. So let's go check it out. I saw one of my workers here, so we're going to be able to get into at least a few of the units, because normally I don't even know where the keys are, but let's go check out the buildings. It's wintertime in Canada. So here we go. Many years ago, we got the parking lot all graveled, so we can have lots of parking here. But here's the two buildings. This 6plex right here, it's all rented. It's doing very well. It's probably valued at 1.4 million right now. The rents are $1,800, $1,900 in here. Now this is the building of the one beds. We're gonna go check out the one bed. See the building here. It's right on a main road here. Easy access to the downtown. Okay, we're in. We haven't renovated the stairwells just yet, but we will get to doing that eventually. Probably one of the last things we do, get it painted, but it's actually not horrible. This is all cement here, so I don't know what we do, paint it or just complete different stairs eventually. Get some different flooring down here. And unit 10 right here. We got Kyle in the house today. He's no longer at the other properties. He's back here. These ones, here would be the kitchen, galley, kind of right here, or maybe a horseshoe. Thought about maybe taking this wall down, but we got the boiler system running throughout here, plus electrical, so just kind of have to figure out what gets rented and what extra costs we want to spend. But we can see ripped up the flooring here. There was some issues, but this one's demoed and coming along. Like I said, one bed. They're fairly decent size. Probably get possibly furnish these ones, maybe not, based on how the rental market's going. And I think we did this at a different time, but we should be able to keep this, obviously. Maybe rip these down or paint them. Just get rid of them probably, because it goes all the way around here. And you can see this one's getting to be pretty extensive. Closets. But yeah, probably be able to rent this for $1,550, $1,600. All right, we're gonna go see 4 now. Hello, Donnie.
Hi. How's it going?
Good. Come to spy on you.
It's okay.
So be ready by night?
People can move in right now.
All right. That's looking good. See the units. Oh yeah. This one's coming along. Probably really be ready within 30 days. What do you think, 30 days?
Sure.
Do the laundry right here. All right. Oh yeah, you're locked in.
Every time.
All right. You got more to see. Hey there.
How's it going?
Hi, I'm Jeff.
No, Jordan.
Hey Jordan, I'm the owner.
Oh, it's a pleasure to meet you.
Nice
Jeff.
to meet you. And then we got this one here. This one's looking pretty good. I wonder if we're gonna be able to keep the floor. Yeah. Looking pretty good. I'll have to come back on YouTube and show you guys when they're all finished, hopefully this month on the channel. Needs a kitchen. Yeah, all the same. Okay, speaking of being done, I forgot, unit 7, looking pretty good here. So we don't reinvent the wheel, we just like to redo the same thing everywhere. You can see what a finished product is. So this would be, like I said, $1,550, $1,600 rent. Keep it pretty neutral. We'll either furnish for a bit higher in rent or keep it not furnished for lower. And this one, put the laundry right here. Must have worked out better based on exterior wall for venting. Yeah, nice little unit. First I've ever noticed this ladder here. I don't know. We maybe put that in at one point. Maybe not, I can't remember. Oh, bonus, we have one more here. So we got this gutted, do the kitchen there as well. This would have been one of the ones we had on Airbnb, but we're just gonna make it a better unit. And they're all the same, because all the same and boring makes money. Get this fixed up, it'll look like the other one. Patch up the holes. And that's the name of the game. Get them all rented. Big money. Sure. Yes, we got maintenance room in here. All our meters. Oh, a new boiler. Did I pay for that? I must have. I think that was a couple of years ago. Thanks, Kyle. So storage lockers right here. However, long term, I would like to turn this into a bachelor if the city would allow and give me proper permits for it. Because right now it's a lot of dead space within the buildings. If you've seen buildings just like this and you've been to them, that's something you could do. You could turn storage areas and laundry areas into another unit. A lot of investors will just keep the laundry room, make the money off the laundry, but it's a lot better to actually have in-suite laundry, get rid of this stuff here. You get a higher rent within the buildings, and yeah, you're not collecting coins, but you're getting $100, $200 more in rent, and it's way better on your rent roll if you're gonna take it to the bank afterwards. So put the in-suite laundry in, eliminate laundry rooms. Maybe you can turn this into another unit to help with getting another tenant into the unit as well too, or into the building. So again, I'll bring you guys back on YouTube. So if you want to stick around on the channel, make sure you guys like and subscribe and show you all these units completely finished. They're gonna look great, just like the other videos I have on the channel with all the finished product. But sometimes, you know, it's not the worst. It's in the middle of renovations. I'm not stepping on, well, what am I stepping on? You know, tenant crap, literally crap sometimes. This is looking pretty good. What I do normally is post all this also on Instagram. So if you guys want to be part of that, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at Jeff Wybo. You can see a lot of the Foundation Capital stuff. If you are interested in private lending, you can hit me up on Instagram. And that was the 11 unit building. If you guys want to see it finished, make sure you guys are subscribed, and we'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.